guys are looking awfully pretty today. Yes, you're always beautiful, huh? You're gorgeous.
Hey there, so today, as you saw in that first clip, I was showing you my two cockatiels. They are so pretty, they are so sweet, I love them so much, and they're down there right now. They're roaming around on my floor. I just did a deep cleaning and their cage is completely empty and clean, and today I'm going to completely reorganize it and make it look super nice for them, and I really hope that they like it. It's just that it really needed a nice complete redoing just because I want them to be able to traverse the cage easily. I want them to have a nice space to be able to hang out, and yeah, I'm just really excited to do this for them. Sorry about the lighting as well in here because it's really not that good because it's just my room. I only have the overhead light and then the light coming in from that window. And also, another thing I'd like to mention is the reason they kind of look disheveled, I noticed in that clip, was because they are experiencing molting right now. So when their feathers grow back in and everything is all good, they'll be set to go. It's just a moment of them dealing with that, but after that, they should be all set. So we'll just get into this video. It's going to be pretty relaxed. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and just you'll see me decorating it, so hopefully you enjoy. Okay, the cage is finally done. I'll take you on a tour. Okay, so we've noticed they like soft stuff, so we got a lot of like soft looking stuff, which is exciting. We have a ton of toys. There's food over there. There's their like calcium and stuff like that over in this area right here. And then their water is gonna be like right down in that area. I just haven't put it in yet. So one thing I forgot to do. Then they have a is it cuttlefish, whatever. But they have so many different toys, and I'm super happy. I think they will really, really like this. I think that I did a decent job, that they will enjoy it. Well, there they are in their cage. I feel like a proud parent. They don't care. They're like, well, thanks, I guess. Oh, she's chewing on that. No, that's the wrong thing to chew on.
Always gonna do that.
The one thing that she shouldn't chew on is what she picks to chew on.
She could probably chew on it.
I know, it looks pretty sturdy, honestly.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, here's a crash in the middle of the night. It wasn't me, Mom, I swear.
I just don't trust them trying to stand on that thing.
I don't know why she's trying to do that.
They'd like to, I don't know why.
Oops, she climbed on it.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was just a time lapse of me putting stuff in the cage, and then you got to see them in it, and hopefully you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed getting to film them. They're such sweet birds and I love them so much, and I'm so happy that they're in my life. So yeah, if you like what I do, if you want to see me off of YouTube, I have social medias that are on my channel. You can find them, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.